Welcome to Topfast, your trusted partner. Topfast Electronic Limited, established in 2008, is a leading manufacturer of PCB fabrication and assembly with 17 years experience. Topfast is a one-stop customized service provider with PCB and SMT factories and sales and service operation centers. We provide one-stop full-process service from PCB produce, component procurement, PCB assembly, to finished product testing. Our products are mainly used in different industries, including aerospace, automotive, industrial control, medical, communications, consumer electronics, and more. Our production capability, a PCB production rating at 10,000 square meters per month, and average 150,000 solar point per day on the SMT production, with max capacity of 2 million solar point per day of capability. In order to ensure the high quality and reliability of the products, we have AOI inspection along every step of the production, using a range of machines such as AOI machine, X-ray machines, e-testing machine, fly probe, and visual inspections, to ensure the stable performance of each product. After years of development, the company has grown into an industry-leading enterprise, with strong R&D capability and production strength. Over the years, has been adhering to the business philosophy of honesty and quality and innovative service, strictly controlling every step of production. In order to better serve the needs of customers, our team, more than 1,000 people, who are always here to help, with over 30% of our staff being on technical support role, to help with technical issues, and supply chain staff to outsource components. They have extensive industry experience and expertise, can quickly provide clients with solutions and technical support for their studies. We meticulously follow industry standards, such as IPC 2226, 6016, 611, and we are also CE, UL, FCC certified to be able to enter product in different countries around the globe.